Why study trigonometry? A race was held in the top quadrant of a circular road. Cleaning up after the race takes a long time, so the city sends two trucks. The first truck will go from M, the midway point, to Q at the top. The second truck will go from M, the midway point, to P at the bottom. The drivers need regular breaks after cleaning 15 degrees of the quadrant and will call each other. The first break is when truck 1 has moved 15 degrees counterclockwise from 45 to 60 degrees, and truck 2 has moved 15 degrees clockwise from 45 to 30 degrees. The second break is when truck 1 has moved 30 degrees counterclockwise from 45 to 75 degrees, and truck 2 has moved 30 degrees clockwise from 45 to 15 degrees. The third break is when the race is over and truck 1 has reached Q and truck 2 has reached P. Truck 1's horizontal and vertical coordinates are shown in the first graph to the right, and truck 2's coordinates are shown in the second graph. The yellow line represents the vertical coordinate of each of the trucks, and the blue line, the horizontal coordinate of each of the trucks. The x-axis is the angle from the 45-degree line. Truck driver 1 asks driver 2 what his location is, and driver 2 says, my horizontal coordinate is about 0.86 and vertical coordinate is exactly 0.5. Driver 1 says, that's strange. My horizontal coordinate is exactly 0.5 and vertical coordinate is about 0.86. Did you notice anything about their coordinates? Is that a coincidence? Let's observe what happens at the next stop. At the second break, driver 2 asks driver 1 what his location is. Driver 1 says, my horizontal coordinate is about 0.96 and vertical coordinate is about 0.25. Driver 2 says, that's strange. My horizontal coordinate is about 0.25 and vertical coordinate is about 0.96. Again, your vertical coordinate is my horizontal coordinate and my vertical coordinate is your horizontal coordinate. Is that also a coincidence? Let's observe what happens at the third and final stop. At the third break, driver 2 and driver 1 think they have discovered a pattern. Driver 1 says, I am now sure that my horizontal coordinate of 0 is your vertical coordinate. You are at P after all. Driver 2 says, I'm sure too, and I think it was always the case since we started from M. Let's check the graphs to see if driver 2 is right. In both graphs, the horizontal coordinates are in blue, and the vertical coordinates are in yellow. The blue line in one graph does look like the yellow in the other. Let's overlay one on top of the other and see. It looks like the drivers are right. One's vertical coordinate has been the other's horizontal coordinate and vice versa. Why is one driver's vertical coordinate the other's horizontal coordinate? As we will learn, 45-degree line is a line of symmetry. Cos of 45 plus x equals sine of 45 minus x. What we saw, we will also learn via the sine of a minus b and cos of a plus b formulas. We will learn all of these concepts in the forthcoming videos.